Ayun, good morning guys. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa basketball. Ang day 3 ng team building po, no. Actually, alis na po kami mamaya, no. So far, maganda naman lahat na nangyayari. Wala naman anything environmental struggles na nangyayari or anything. Nagpaprovide si Lord everyday. And ayan, so dito po ngayon sa basketball court kasama ang aking mga kapatid, no. Praise God, no. Ayan, andun sila, natatawag na ako sila dun. Sila, nakikita. There, diba? Praise God. Ayun. Andun na sila, nag-design sila. Para wala ng energy mamaya yan. Ayan, may laro pa kami mamaya. So, ako nagsisave na ako ng energy. Ayan. Kaya yun, praise God. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung mga devotional namin in worship night nung gabi. So, alam ko yun yung moment of intimacy namin kay Lord. And mamaya magkakaroon ng games and mga palaro. So far, so good naman. Hello, Madam people. Here in the restaurant, and we're going to see if the food is good. And we will see the price and let's see if it is expensive or cheap. Okay, pass me the menu.
Ano basa dyan?
Based in the menu, it is 50-50. Wow. It's not that cheap, not that expensive. Wow. Balanced.
Okay.
And this is
Which one is your favorite?
my favorite one
Ano yan?
is
Hula-hula.
this one, the cheesy overload fries.
Wow.
You can eat it well.
Okay.
And it's very cheesy. I like cheesy things.
Alright. Thank you, I am a... Kain lang po tayo.
Maraming salamat, Lord, dahil tunay nga na mabuti ka at nauwi na po kami, no? Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Dakila, Panginoon. Yan, sige. Bye po. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ate Denise. Ayoko maiwan ka dito.
Welcome to my guys. Babae lalaki po. Babae lalaki po. Kalma mga po. Dito. Yan. Babae dyan. Lalaki.
Kuya Kim, babay daw. Ay, kay Jello, babay daw po sa tingin.
Halika na!
Tawag ka ng tatay mo. Babay na daw. Bye, Kuya Kim. Bye pa. Bye, Tita po.
Iwan ako na. Bye-bye!
Tara na.
Bye-bye!
Akin na yan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Ay,
Ngayon?
God bless. Bisitahin nyo lang po to. Ito po. Masarap po yung kanilang mga frap dyan, mga menu. Affordable and quality. Ayan. Ayan po, may bundok dun oh. Pwede rin po kayo magbundok doon. Meron po silang guide. Meron din po silang parang hall po doon na pwede nyong i-place yung kanyang mga tent. Mag-worship.
Bye pa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. God bless.
Si Pastora pala, wala pa dun.
Ano ito, Ayamay?
Kasi may sasabay isa. Sige po na. Sige.
You are God, and we lift you up. We'll keep singing, we'll keep praising, we won't stop giving all we got. 'Cause you're worthy of all glory. Oh, there is no other. You are forever, Lord. Over all, there's nobody like you, no one beside you. That's what we're singing out to you. Let endless praise resound every night and day, and with no delay. Let endless praise resound. Let's go. I've seen you do it before, and I believe you can do it again. You are all powerful, God, you're on the throne, and we all know you can do a miracle. You're the Lord of all, you're able, yeah, you can. You can move the mountain, there's no doubt about it. You're able, yeah. I know you. Wait a minute.
Dahil lang maluwag kayo yung mga bag na pwede nyo namang i-ano kasi wala yung kawawa yung mga paa ng babae yung ilagay nyo yung paa. Doon sa gilid kay Pal, patong ito. Para makaano.